posting more. Okay, so I'd like everyone to share their tips and techniques or any kind of questions they might have, any kind of problems they might be having with trying to market online, and it could be OLSP or it could be another program. But let's say if you have problems with trying to do email marketing, any kind of marketing, online marketing that you need help with, please post it in the group. And I'd really like to see more engagement. It's one of the things that I really like. It's a community, okay? It's not just me posting all the time. Everyone, like, it's the community that makes a group so great, okay? So it's not just and there's going to be some other changes as well. Okay, so with the 3-day, drop your links over the weekend, I'm going to be changing that. I'm going to be actually removing that, and I'm going to be doing something else instead. Okay, so pay attention. Okay, because this is going to be, I would say, a lot of help to some people. Okay, now what I'm going to do instead is on Fridays. So this is going to be starting pretty soon here. So on Fridays, the first 3 people that send me their link, and I'll have a form, so you have to put your name, your email address, and the link that you want me to send traffic to. Okay, so this isn't just posting it in the group. I'm actually going to be sending traffic to that link for you. Okay, and it's not going to cost you any money, and I'm going to be running it until next Thursday. So on Fridays, the first 3 people that actually fill out the form and send me their link, and I would prefer if it's an OLSP link. So if you're not in OLSP yet, like I know a lot of people in this group are part of OLSP, but if you're not in it yet, it's only $7 to start. Okay, if you need help when trying to sign up or you don't know where to sign up, just send me a message. I'll send you my link, my personal link, and we'll get you set up. Okay, so it's $7 one-time fee. There's no monthly fee after that, and you'll get tons of great training. There's already a lot of people in this group that can attest to how great OLSP is, and it's been around for over 7 years. Anytime that I request money, I'm paid within a few days. Okay, and so it's $7 to start, but you can, of course, send other links as well. Okay, but I'm gonna be checking out those links first before I send any traffic to it. Okay, because I don't want to be sending traffic to something that could damage my own account. Okay, so Fridays, you fill out the form, you send me your link, and you get free traffic to that link for, I don't know, 7 days, and that should help you guys get some leads and get some sales, hopefully. Okay, so engagement, number 1. The second one is no more sharing links on within the group, but on Fridays, rushed to get that form filled out and get it sent to me, and then I will add your link to the traffic. Okay, the traffic that I'll boost to it. Okay, let's see. Third thing about the engagement. Okay, I'd like to see a lot more engagement. Okay, I can take a look at the metrics and see who's engaging in the group and see who's supporting the group the most. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be running a monthly contest, so where you can actually win some money. Okay, so you want to be engaging as much as possible so that you have this chance of winning some money. Okay, and so there might be, I'm still narrowing out the details, but it might be like a first, second, third prize. But I really want to see you guys engaging more. Okay, so post helpful content, post tips and techniques, post any questions you might have. If you find something that's inspirational for an entrepreneur like yourself, then share that. Okay, we want to, I really want this community to grow and to become a larger community in the future. And that will only happen when everyone gets together and everyone becomes more like a family and a community, and like you guys are supporting each other and sharing your wins or sharing your struggles too, so that we can help support you. Because I know it can be very lonely sometimes when you're marketing online, and all you end up getting, like maybe today you had a lot of rejections and now you feel defeated and you feel like you just need some, a little bit of a pick me up, right? So engage more. And like I said, once I start seeing that engagement rise, then I will start rewarding people, the most engaged person or persons. So it might be the top 3 engagers. So I like to do numbers like repetitive numbers. So if it's like, if I'm having the first 3 people that send me the link in the forum on Fridays for that traffic, then I'm gonna pick the top 3 engagers and they'll be put into a contest. Okay, so the main things I really wanted to focus on was those 3 topics. Okay, so engagement, the links, and a contest. Okay, so and another thing I wanted to mention. Okay, so if you I got approved for Warrior Plus to promote. It's a $1 solo ad. So this vendor on Warrior Plus has fairly large email list. Okay, so you could actually drive traffic. He will drive, like he'll send out an email to his list with your link in it, and so and it's only $1. Okay, so if you can imagine like that kind of reach, like I don't have an email list that big. I wish I did, but or as big as his. But if you can only imagine if you just sending out one email to someone that has a really large list, and just that kind of the impact that could happen from that. Okay, so it's really great to be promoting on social media all the time, but the email list is where most of the sales happen. Most of it happens through email. Also happens through direct messages. You have to actually communicate to people, but there are other ways to earn a commission or a sale, and one of those ways is email lists. So you can totally faceless, but if you don't have a large list, then it's really hard to get that email out, or that message or the link out. And so that's really all I wanted to talk about today. I just wanted to do some little bit of updates. Also, I'm with my main email list. I've been offering free gifts to people. So if you guys are interested in joining my main email list, just drop a comment and say, just drop a comment on this video and say email. Just put the comment email, and then I'll contact you and I'll get your email address. Okay, or you can even make it easier for me and just actually send me a message with your email address, and I'll know what you're talking about. So that's it for today. It's getting close to Christmas. Hope everyone's excited. I know it can be a busy time. But I'm not slowing down during the Christmas break. I'm even I'll be ramping up my efforts actually, because my son will be off from school for a couple of weeks, and this is an excellent opportunity for me to push even harder, because I'll have more time now to work on reels and work on growing my email list, and just providing a lot of value to you guys, and support, and just trying to grow this community. Okay, so take care, everyone. Stay safe over the holidays. Stay safe, from the weather. The weather has been a little bit crazy lately. You would have seen in one of my videos where, like, last Wednesday, it was a complete blizzard for most of the day. Actually, I noticed it around 11 o'clock. I just went outside and I couldn't see the house behind our house. Like, it was just coming down so hard and fast, and it was just like, wow. I hopefully it clears up before my wife heads home, and it did. It stopped snowing, but there was still blowing snow, so it was like, it wasn't as bad, but there was people that especially on the highways, it was very slippery, and also the reduced visibility, and the fact that the snow was just coming down so fast, it was making their windshield wipers not work very, very well. So it was becoming a very risky situation very fast, and it's just something that can be very dangerous. But you guys have yourself a great day. Thank you so much for being part of this community, and let's help each other win and grow in this community. And I'm here to support you guys as much as I can. Take care.